Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to clear cookies in ChatGPT. So let's start. Is my ChatGPT here. I already log in Google Chrome. After the login to ChatGPT, just go to the upper side. Here you can see the view site information option here showing with the address of ChatGPT. Okay, so I just click on this option and click on the site settings option. Okay, now here you can see settings tab is open, the chatgpt.com, and here the uses cookies here showing. Okay, to clear the cookies, click on the delete data, and here you can say delete site data. All data and cookies stored by chatgpt.com will be deleted. You will be signed out of the site, including in the open tabs. Any offline data will be deleted. Data that affects ad personalized is deleted. So all data and cookies stored by ChatGPT will delete it. Okay. So I just click on delete and that's it. Okay. I just again go to the ChatGPT and click on the refresh. And here you can see your ChatGPT account is logged out. Now you have to log in again and you can use it. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.